Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to post video comment replies on TikTok. It's very simple and easy. Just follow these simple steps and first open up TikTok application, and here I need to get in this inbox section. Here at the top I can tap on this drop down menu, and here I need to select comments to filter all the activity just to comments. And here I see all the comments to all my videos, and here I can reply to any of the comments. Let it be this comment. I just tap on it. Here I can see this comment. I can tap and hold, and in this pop-up window I can see the very first option is reply with video. I will select this. I can make a video, and then I can edit this video as regular. Also I can change the size and the position of this comment option. And now I can tap next and edit this video as regular. After publishing it, this video will be published as a reply to that comment, and also it will be posted in the feed as a regular video. So now you see how it's simple and easy to post a video comment reply on TikTok. Make sure you like this video if it was helpful for you, and see you next time.